Hi everybody, it's Amy from Bargain Beauty. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Today's video is a collaboration video. I'm going to keep it short because there's so many of us to watch, and I'm so super excited for you guys to explore the other channels that are located in my description box. I want to say thank you so much to everyone who did join. I really appreciate you guys, and I'm looking forward to watching your videos. I don't know anyone else's videos, which makes it even more exciting. So this is going to be really, really cool, guys. So let's get right into it. This is a Dollar Tree fall collab, but I told everyone do whatever you wanted. You can do a front porch, you can do a DIY, you can do literally anything. We're just going to incorporate Dollar Tree products in, but everyone's also allowed to put in any other products or things that they may have from last year or that they've purchased at different stores this year and combine it all together to do their videos. So let's get right into my video, guys. I am in love with this shelf. I'm so super excited. So I'm going to explain a little bit, and I wish, guys, I so wish that you could smell inside this room right now because these candles smell amazing. All right. So the pumpkin right here on your left-hand side of your screen, I did get it 90% off last year at Walmart. I don't know if you guys have been around. You saw that video where I got a bunch of pumpkins at Walmart on 90% clearance. If you didn't see it and you're new, that is how I love to shop. I love a bargain. That's why it's Bargain Beauty. I love to shop so much on clearance. I love to get things after the season when things go down and then use them the next year. So the pumpkins from Walmart from last year for 90% off. The Glade candles, those were like super cheap. I don't know if you guys remember that video where I did like over a year ago of my Glade collection. I have a lot of candles, guys. I have a huge stockpile of candles. I love getting Glade with the coupon on the discount after the holiday. Anyway, so we have the Glade candle, and then we have the Dollar Tree pumpkin sneaking out in the back there. We also have the Dollar Tree Harvest Blessings, corn, maize, pumpkin pie, all the good stuff about fall sign right there. We have a Dollar Tree scarecrow. We have these flowers that I did get from dumpster diving, completely free. When they make wreaths at certain craft stores, they throw out the scraps, what they call scraps. So they'll cut off like 2 heads of a bunch and throw out the rest. So yes, I definitely grabbed them. And then the houses are from Target. If you guys remember a few videos ago, I got these for about $5. There's a set of 3. They were $20 originally, $19.99, and I just love them so much. The white pumpkin is from Dollar Tree. The little shelf hanger is from Dollar Tree from last year. The flowers are the dumpster dive flowers. Sorry about the shadows, guys. It's overhead lighting. I've got to figure that out in this new place. Another Dollar Tree pumpkin. I got this vase at TJ Maxx years ago, and what I did is just took some Dollar Tree twine, or rope, excuse me, and I just hot glued it around there to add a little something. These sprigs are from Dollar Tree. The sign I've had for years and years and years. I don't even remember where I got it, but I liked it up there just to add a little bit of something to the top of the shelf. Then we have this Hello Fall Dollar Tree sign from this year. I think it's super cute. We've got a bunch of these leaves on the actual shelf, and I got those at 90% off at Walmart last year on clearance. So I just kind of spread, I know the shadow, I just kind of spread those out everywhere. And then here's another pumpkin from the clearance, and this yummy pumpkin Glade candle, which I'm telling you guys, smells so good. And then some more flowers from my dumpster dive. Another pumpkin from Dollar Tree. And this cute little scarecrow, guys. So, I live in the city, so when I film at home, you're definitely going to hear noises. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the other content creators in the description box. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here and you'd like to see more content. I go to so many different types of stores. Dollar Tree is a big one, but TJ Maxx, Dollar General, Walmart, Target, you name it, Big Lots, I go there. So, all right, everybody, have a great day or night, whichever one you're watching this. Thank you so, so much again, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.